Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is not only a popular trend, but also a lifestyle that has been proven to have numerous positive effects on both our physical and mental well-being. So let's dive right in and explore the 11 life-changing benefits of intermittent fasting. Number 1. Weight loss. By restricting your eating window, you naturally consume fewer calories, leading to a calorie deficit. Additionally, fasting triggers hormonal changes that promote fat burning, helping you shed those extra pounds. Number 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. By allowing your body to enter a fasted state, you give it a chance to regulate insulin levels, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Number 3. Enhanced brain function. Intermittent fasting has been shown to have positive effects on brain health. It can improve cognitive function, memory, and concentration. Fasting also stimulates the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which promotes the growth of new neurons. Number 4. Increased energy levels. Contrary to what you might expect, intermittent fasting can actually boost your energy levels. When your body is in a fasted state, it shifts its energy sources from glucose to stored fat, resulting in more sustained and stable energy throughout the day. Number 5. Reduction in inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Intermittent fasting has been found to reduce inflammation markers in the body, helping to prevent and manage these conditions. Number 6. Cellular repair and autophagy. Fasting triggers a process called autophagy, where your body starts breaking down and recycling old or damaged cells. This cellular repair mechanism can help prevent age-related diseases and promote longevity. Number 7. Improved heart health. Intermittent fasting can improve heart health by reducing blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and triglycerides. It also helps in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major risk factors for heart disease. Number 8. Enhanced metabolism. Intermittent fasting can boost your metabolism by increasing the levels of the hormone norepinephrine. This hormone helps break down fat cells, leading to increased fat burning and weight loss. Number 9. Longevity. Many studies have shown that intermittent fasting can extend lifespan in various organisms. While the exact reasons are still being researched, it is believed that the cellular repair mechanisms activated during fasting play a role in promoting longevity. Number 10. Improved gut health. Intermittent fasting can improve gut health by allowing your digestive system to rest and repair. It promotes a healthy gut microbiome, reduces gut inflammation, and may alleviate symptoms of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome. Number 11. Mental clarity and emotional well-being. Lastly, intermittent fasting has a positive impact on mental clarity and emotional well-being. By stabilizing blood sugar levels and improving brain function, it can reduce brain fog, improve mood, and promote a sense of overall well-being. And there you have it, the 11 life-changing benefits of intermittent fasting. From weight loss to improved brain function, enhanced heart health to increased energy levels, intermittent fasting offers a wide range of advantages for both your body and mind. Remember, before starting any new dietary regimen, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.